What is up, guys? I wanted to tell you about another product that's part of my daily life. Now, I work from home, I sit at this desk, and for some reason, my feet and my legs always get really cold. Even if I'm wearing jeans right now, my legs and my feet still get cold. So I was looking to pick up some type of space heater, something to keep my feet and my legs warm. And I ended up picking up this space heater from Dreo, and I actually really like it. I've kind of had a love-hate relationship with space heaters in the past, and this one is, I think, perfect. And there's a couple of reasons why I really like it. One is the size. So a lot of space heaters are like these small little box things, and they're great for your feet, but they don't really cover your legs. With this one's a little bit bigger, so you get that leg coverage, but on top of that, it's not too big where it doesn't fit under my desk. So again, this is typically sitting under my desk, and again, if you're in an office setting, you can easily put this under your desk. It's not gonna get in the way, which I really like. Also, it looks a lot better than a lot of other space heaters out there, so I like that as well. The second thing I really like about this is it's not all that loud. So all the controls are on the top here, but there's also an included remote. So if for some reason you lose this included remote, you do have controls up top. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. And currently I have it on its highest speed setting. So highest speed setting, I can feel the air coming out here. It really is not all that loud. In the past, I've had space heaters that are extremely loud. This thing is not all that loud. And another thing I really like about it is that it heats up very quickly. Like, I can feel it's extremely warm already. There are 3 different modes. So I have it in high mode right now. We can go to low mode, and then there is an eco mode there as well. So you can kind of go through. As you can see, we have the temperature. I have this thing almost all the way up. I believe it goes up to 95. That's the highest you can go to, and then you can go down on your temperature as well. But it's cool that it displays the temperature, the mode that you're in, all of that. Like I said, it is very quiet as well. So again, if you're in an office setting, you don't want something that's super loud. This is not loud. I take Zoom calls here. I do all that stuff with this on, no issues whatsoever. It also does oscillate, which is kind of nice. So I can turn the oscillation on there, as you can see, and it will, move back and forth, which is nice. You get more coverage. And like I said, this puts out 1,500 watts of heat, which I think is a lot. For this office here, it's more than enough. I've used this in my bedroom before, which is really great. And talking about using it in the bedroom, the cool thing about it, I'm turning it off right now, but the cool thing about it is that it does have a timer as well. So, I set this up before I'm going to bed. I don't want to have to get up out of bed to turn it off or anything like that, or I fall asleep and I forget to turn it off. It has a timer. You can turn it off after, it will automatically turn off after a certain amount of time. I think this definitely solved my problem as far as my feet and my legs being cold in the office, but it's also served a purpose, like I said, in my bedroom and everything like that. And I was a little bit weary about purchasing one of these and never really heard of this company before, but it's really kind of blown my mind how good this space heater is. So if you're looking for one, this is one that I would highly recommend.